Let me shock you for a second. Even Yahoo wants you to remove it from Chrome. No, of course not. This article and many other sources online refer to a common malware that redirects Google searches to the Yahoo search engine instead. In this video, I'll clearly and shortly explain how to remove Yahoo from Chrome and prevent this virus from bothering you ever again. To clarify, why do my Google searches go to Yahoo? Well, that's not actually Yahoo's fault. It often sneaks in with sketchy downloaders or even sketchier websites or even browser extensions, all to make its creator some ad revenue. It's not harmless either. The virus records your browsing behavior to push more targeted ads. Besides, a virus hijacking the browser opens it to further threats. Now, the 3 easy steps to deal with Yahoo redirecting are as follows. First, change your default search engine in Chrome settings back to Google. It's pretty easy to do if you follow the steps on the screen. Second, do a sweep through the browser extensions tab. Anything you don't recognize or don't need has to be deleted. Better safe than sorry. The third step is to reset Google Chrome's default settings. This is pretty straightforward and easy to do with my directions. Now, you might be wondering, is that really it? And the answer is usually no. Yes, some of you might find these steps enough, but the safest and most proven method of fully removing the Yahoo redirect virus is an antivirus. If you want one, check out this QR code or the link in the description for an exclusive discount. But to give you a perspective, let me explain how antiviruses like TotalAV or Norton are the best to deal with malware like the Yahoo redirect virus. Okay, starting with the TotalAV review, this provider is great at malware detection. Independent researchers place it at the top with a perfect score in detecting various threats, from common viruses to ransomware and trackers. You can easily detect the threat by simply running the malware scan and have it dispatched instantly. It can also detect and ward off online threats with Web Shield, a feature created precisely against malware like the Yahoo redirect virus. Despite the many features, TotalAV is not hard to use. The UI is really modern and intuitive, unlike many other AVs such as Windows Defender or ESET. Now, regarding feature abundance, TotalAV comes with a system optimization tool for removing junk files and improving device performance, as well as 2 other Total products, the VPN and AdBlock. Considering that TotalAV supports all the conventional operating systems, you can be sure that it's going to work on any device you own. Now, Norton is another top-tier antivirus you can consider. I'll start the Norton review with malware detection results. It consistently scores maximum points, and AV test researchers confirm its ability to deal with malware. Now, as soon as you launch your scan right here, it's already over for malware. Norton also includes a smart firewall for detecting and blocking incoming and outgoing traffic with suspicious or malicious behavior. Thanks to Norton's monitoring, even if your device has a virus, it won't be able to send any of the data it may steal elsewhere. Norton can also discover data leaks on the dark web and notify me if any of my data was stolen, letting me take action against it. Similar to TotalAV, Norton comes with additional tools like a VPN, cloud storage, a password manager, and an ad blocker. This makes it quite a cybersecurity suite, versatile and effective. So if you want to make sure you remove Yahoo from Chrome and don't have to deal with malware ever again, antivirus is the best solution. I recommend getting one of the best antivirus options such as TotalAV or Norton. Remember, you can get them with an exclusive discount through the link in the description. And thanks for watching. Hope you stay safe online and your browser will be saved from the nasty Yahoo viruses. See you in another video. Stay tuned.